Hello mga ka-Blessed Life, amunin ni siya ang part 2 sa Global Village, Human Mascots and Entertainments.
Hi! Wow! Hello! I'm not scared of you. Wow! Cool! How about you?
Guys, amunin siya ang Expo City Planet na amazing ko sang color daw to di siya nga planet bala.
Sleep, sleep, sleep. You're drooling. Oh.
And of course, ang ilang horror hotel. Horror, gid man siya guys, kaladlukan. Guys, abangan nyo ang ato niya part 3, foods and carnivals. Bye, thank you.